This is code.org. Let's see what we're doing. Predict and run. What do you think this program does? Take a look at the code of the program, write down here what you think it does. All right, so let's talk about this, guys. Keep in mind, once you enter your answer and hit submit or hit run, you won't be able to change it. So let's kind of brainstorm together. All right, so we have a painter object here named Jesse. And so this is the data type. We know the data type's painter. We're creating a new painter object. The object's named Jesse. And we set that equal to a new instance of the painter class. If that sounds so complicated, don't let it scare you. We have a painter now named Jesse. We're going to have Jesse move. So I wonder where Jesse sets up here. I'm going to assume Jesse's starting here maybe. And then we're going to have move, and I don't know what direction they're facing. While Jesse, so maybe they're facing this way most likely, so they'll be here. While Jesse is on the bucket, interesting. Notice these little curly bracket things. So what this is going to be is called a loop. And as long as the condition is true right here, it will run the code inside. And so what this says kind of in plain English is, as long as Jesse is standing on the bucket, Jesse takes paint. Hits the bottom and goes, okay, but wait, is Jesse standing on the bucket still? Yep, we haven't moved. Okay, Jesse, take paint. Zoop. And now that goes down to 4. Hits the bottom of this curly bracket, has to go up to the curly bracket right here that I kind of hid. Checks again, is Jesse on a paint bucket? Yep. Hits it again, moves forward, this goes down to 3. And this keeps running until there's no paint left. Is Jesse on paint bucket? No, because the bucket will disappear once we take it all. This is false, and so then it jumps down to the line below. It looks like Jesse's gonna then move forward and start to paint pink as long as Jesse has paint. Well, that should be 6, I think. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So then we end up there. Then we turn left 3 times, which we know is a turn right. And we move forward. Oh, as long as I can move. Oh, well then I'm gonna hit the wall. So my rough summary is... Alright, this is kind of my not complete sentence chicken scratch type of stuff. Jesse picks up all the paint. Jesse then paints 6 blocks moving forward. Jesse turns right and walks until Jesse can't move. Now keep in mind, guys, if you disagree with me, please do. You're just trying to make a prediction. Take a look at the code, think about it, and hey, let's find out. And this is why I missed this second turn left 3 times. So, once again, guys, don't be scared to take a look at this and write down what you think. That's what learning is. Cool. I'm excited to see what we're going to do with this. Onward.